This video will cover homepage foldering in Everlaw. Homepage folders are an easy way to store and share multiple cards or objects at once. You can use folders to share multiple binders with other users on your project, or create folders that store all binders, outlines, or assignments associated with a particular person. Like other homepage features, folders are user-specific and will only appear on your individual account until you decide to share them. To create a folder, navigate to the left-hand menu on your homepage and click Create New Folder. You can create as many folders as necessary. To reorder folders in your menu, simply drag them over each other until you have achieved the order you want. To add cards to your folder, enter multi-select mode. This can be done by selecting the multi-select button, clicking and holding down with your mouse on a card, or pressing X on your keyboard. Pressing X again will exit multi-select mode. Once you have entered multi-select mode, select cards by clicking on them once. You can also select all cards by choosing the Select All button. After selecting the relevant cards, drag the cards until they hover over the folder you want and release the mouse. This will automatically add the cards to the folder. Cards that are added to a particular folder will not disappear from your homepage. Clicking on a folder from the menu will open it and show its contents. You can share a folder by opening it and clicking on the share icon. You can then specify recipients for the folder and the permission levels that these recipients will receive. Sharing a folder will also share all of the folder's contents. However, you will be able to separately specify permissions both for the folder and its contents. For example, you can share a folder containing 10 binders and give your recipients editing permission on the folder, but viewing permission on the binders themselves. This will allow your recipients to add or remove objects from the folder, but they will not be able to add any documents to the binders the folder already contains. Sharing a folder does not give you extra permissions on objects in the folder. If you do not have share and delete permissions for every object in a folder, you will not be able to share the folder. You can remove folder content by entering multi-select mode, choosing the relevant cards, and clicking the red Remove from Folder button. If you are the creator of a folder, or have been given share and delete permissions on a folder, you can delete the folder by opening it and clicking on the trash can icon in the top right corner of the screen. Deleting a folder will only delete the folder itself. Its contents will be preserved. However, if there were items in the folder that you did not create and that were not otherwise shared with you, you will no longer be able to access these items after deleting the folder.